I just say, ooh.
Green to purple, green to purple, green to purple, green to purple, green to purple.
I like pop it, 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 pop it.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Something is delicious! Dun dun! Dun dun!
Like you cut G. 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 Like you cut G.
Rating the fidget toys from our challenge. At first I thought the spider was creepy crawly, but then I squished it and it's super satisfying. 10 out of 10.
I found this sand stress ball. I love how it's tie-dyed. It's so moldable. 10 out of 10.
I found a bunch of accessories that I can pop. They're cute and summery. 8 out of 10.
I found this mesh ball that lights up. It reminds me of Spider-Man. 10 out of 10.
This little monster is so cute and super soft. I could pet him all day. 12 out of 10.
I found this whale poppet. I really like the tie-dye effect. It's so cool, but it's a little firm. 7 out of 10.
Her arms were cut off. Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her tongue was cut off. Her nose was cut off. Her eyeballs were plucked out. Her eyebrows were then waxed. Her tongue was sliced open. Her hair was cut off.
What does the blue button do?
I don't know. Let's see.
I like
Big boys, itty bitty boys, Mississippi boys, inner city boys. I like the pretty boys with the bow tie. Get your nails did, let it blow dry.
What's the alternative? You just date two guys until you move to India?
So you're saying I should just have two boyfriends? Oh my god. I have two boyfriends.
Hey guys, we went to Learning Express. Here's our haul.
First, we got this jumbo tie-dye poppet with 400 pops to give away.
Then we got one for us.
Next, we got this poppet board game.
Then we got a Planet Dimple.
Then we got this square plastic poppet.
Then we got a color-changing bracelet poppet.
Then we got this mini elephant poppet.
Then we got another tie-dye bracelet poppet.
Then we got this Galaxy Infinity Cube.
Then we got an Orbeez carrot squishy.
Last but not least, we got two blue metallic rings.
Bye guys! This is a very special poppet. What do you have to offer? It gives you all your dream fidgets. It can't be that special. I'll offer a dimple. Add. It's really rare. Fine, I'll add my favorite poppet. Okay, I accept. Yay! Here you go. Let's see if this thing actually works. Start simple. Snapper. Whoa! I guess she wasn't lying about this thing. 3 dimple. Oh my gosh. Unicorn poppet. Oh my gosh. Water timer? Oh my gosh. I wonder if it'll give me a tangle. Tangle. Oh my gosh. Duck poppet. Oh my gosh. Fidget pad. It works. Let's see if I can trade this. Trading poppet that gives you all your dream fidgets. Me. Show me your offer. I'll give you a legendary mega marble mesh. Oh my gosh, yes, accept. Haha, thanks. Thanks? Dimple. Nothing happened. Marble mesh. Nothing happened. Tangle. Nothing happened. I think she scammed me. OMG guys, there's the rich girl. It'd be my dream to trade with her. But this is all I have. Let's try. Trading Among Us poppet. Oh my gosh, that's my dream poppet. Wait, really? Okay, well what's your offer? Well, what do you want? I'll offer anything. Maybe the whale poppet. You know what? Never mind. Take it all. Take it all. Take them all. All my fidgets. Oh my gosh, guys. This is my dream. I totally just scammed her.
This was my favorite ball, but it got a hole in it and I super glued it shut, so I think I'm gonna scam my neighbor with it. Hi Rianne, do you want a fidget trade?
Yes.
Perfect. This is my legendary stress ball. It's one of my favorites. It's super rare. Let's trade for it.
I'll offer you all of my keychains.
Wow, these are really nice. I love these, but I'm gonna need you to add.
I'll give you all of these foam squishies.
They look pretty rough, but I'll take them. This is some cool stuff, but like I said, this is pretty rare. I'm gonna need you to add again.
I'll give you all of my globbles and all of my gummy stuff.
Oh my gosh, I love these things. Okay, yes, deal. No trade backs.
Okay. This is awesome. Wait a second. Is there a hole?
No trade backs.
Look at all of these fidget toys. If you want to buy any of the fidgets you see in this video, go to the account tagged in the caption or shop the link in my bio. Let's start off by opening this poppet watch. So this poppet can wrap around your wrist. It would be a great fidget for on the go. Next, let's open all 3 of these simple dimple spinners. Here's the first one. The second one, which is my favorite. And the last one. Now let's open this poppet. This side of the poppet is amazing. Come back for part 2.
Ugh, it's another poppet. So?
I guess she's a poppet collector now. Oh no, that means she might trade me for another poppet.
Really, Bite Chain? She's not gonna trade you. Well, she's probably trading again today, so who do you guys think she's gonna trade?
I think she's gonna trade Rainbow Square Poppet. I think she's gonna trade Duck Poppet. Or me.
She's obviously not gonna trade me. I'm her favorite. Duck Poppet? Bite Chain's her favorite. No?
Yeah, Duck Poppet, you are not the favorite. You're not even close. You've barely been here. I think we're all equal.
Maybe you guys, but not me. I'm at the top. Guys, she's coming!
I think I'm gonna trade Square Poppet. So much better.
I think we're on vacation.
What does the blue button do?
I don't know. Let's see.
Let's open this popsicle poppet from Jet Baby. It pops so well and I love the colors. Next up is this poppet. Look at all of the details. So cool. And it pops really well. Now let's open up the cute snail. So this poppet has a quiet side and a really good loud side. And lastly, let's open up the lemon and strawberry poppet. Once again, they have awesome pops. 10 out of 10 recommend. If you want to buy any of these awesome poppets, go to Jet Baby. Link to their website is in my bio.
The best fidgets for Pride Month. I highly recommend the water bead stress ball. Not only is it super satisfying to squish, but it makes fun sounds. This rainbow popper, it's so pretty and it pops so well. Popping them like this reminds me of hopscotch. Rainbow colored magnet bead balls. The sky is the limit with magnet bead balls. A rainbow color change ball. I love snappers. These are fun for everyone, but especially good for people who have anger. A puzzle ball is always fun. And a DNA stress ball. I love the colorful beads.
Give me all your numbers so I can phone you. my hip.
Oops.